Hi everyone, welcome to the demo of EinvoiceDirect. As part of the demo, we'll be demonstrating our solution which will automate the submission of your invoices from SAP ERP system, that is either an S4 HANA system or an SAP ECC system, to Government of India. Government of India, as part of the regulations, is looking for both sale and delivery related data to be sent to them. In this process, they provide a number called IRN, Invoice Registration Number, and for the delivery related information called E-way-bill number. Along with the IRN, they are also provided a JWT encrypted QR code, which needs to be printed on top of your invoice. This also means that the QR code also means that this information has been safely updated to the government. E-invoicing is mandatory for all government registered companies with a turnover of 20 crore INR. The government provides access through a couple of channels through which the invoices can be uploaded. Through GSPs, also called as GST Suvidha providers, and the second mechanism is called direct API access. GSPs or GST Suvidha providers provide a channel for you to upload your invoices either through portals or through API access. They store the invoice data for any other purposes and get you the QR code and information from them. Now, there is a second mechanism also provided by the government of India, that's called the direct API access. Now, the expectations from this format, this channel, is that the data be sent in a certain format from a fixed set of IP addresses. You register with them. The direct access also includes encryption of data using RSA and AES. So this is how it looks like. There's a lot of RSA and AES encryptions, so to avoid all this confusion, so we have created a bridge, a transparent bridge. What would happen is the ERP would send the information in clear text JSON, and the bridge will do the RSA and AES complexity for you. In return, the bridge would also provide you the encrypted. It'll provide you the JSON for the QR code and also the IRN number. So we'll jump into the solution to take this forward. From SAP side, we are using something called e-document Cockpit, which is a standard process provided by SAP. We have configured the solution in the system. The system is an S4 HANA system, but the flow remains the same for an ECC system also. So let us go through the transaction called e-document Cockpit. It is edoc_cockpit. So you can see here all the documents which have been submitted by default from last 30 days. So there are different states for the document. The green one represents basically either the document has been submitted to government or has been cancelled. Then the yellow triangle represents the documents which haven't yet been submitted to the government. So here you can see that after once the data has been submitted, you get a QR code, IRN number here in this field. You also get E-way-bill number if this particular document is an E-way-bill related data, and you get its information and the QR code data. Let us open one of these documents and see how it looks from an output perspective. So this is an existing document. So here we can see there's an E-way-bill number printed and the IR number. And here you can see the QR code. So this is already a submitted document. Let us now go back into the system and submit a fresh document which is already there in the cockpit to see how much time it takes for us to get back the QR code from the government of India. So I'm just clicking submit. Once I select the particular document, you can select multiple documents also. We can see how quickly you got the response from the government. You got the QR code, also the IR number and the QR code. This particular invoice doesn't have any delivery information. So what I'll do now is I'll just again show you this particular document. Just submitted this, and we can see the IR number and the QR code. Excellent. So the next thing we'll be doing is we'll see the process in how this e-document gets created. So the e-document, the system is configured in such a way that if you create an SD document or an FI document, a new e-document is created in this cockpit. So let us go through a process and create one such invoice for ourselves. So I'm just selecting one of the documents, and I'm going to press enter here, and I'm going to go to the headers, and let me go to the header text, and let me maintain a few details, especially the vehicle number. This is required for your e-way bill. Mode of transport, road. Let me save this, and there is a new document that gets created, 512. Let us go back to our cockpit, and you can see there is a new document that got created with this reference of 512 7193 512. Let me select this document now and click submit. Let us see again how much time it takes. Yep, we got it quickly, and see, now we have an e-way bill number also, since we maintained this information there, and we got the QR code. So let me open this document now for reference. Yep, you can see the e-way bill number, the IRN number, and the QR code. So this is what we wanted to demonstrate today. If you have any questions, you can list them out in the comments section below, and I would be happy to help you out. Thank you very much for attending this meeting. Thank you very much.